Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes P0496 and P04DF indicate issues with the EVAP, evaporative emission control system, specifically signifying high purge flow detection. This can lead to increased emissions and potential engine performance issues. The EVAP system is designed to capture and recycle fuel vapors from the fuel tank, directing them to the intake manifold for combustion. Primary components involved include the EVAP canister, purging valve, and associated hoses. These components are typically located within the engine compartment for easier access during inspections and repairs. Understanding these codes is crucial for maintaining not only compliance with emissions regulations, but also the overall health of the vehicle's engine management system. DTC P0496 and P04DF point to a malfunction within the EVAP system, indicative of high purge flow. The EVAP system plays a fundamental role in controlling fuel vapors from the fuel tank to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. When the system detects a high purge flow, it suggests either a stuck-open EVAP canister purge valve or an obstruction in the valves or hoses. The EVAP canister purge valve is located in the engine compartment, connecting the purge line to the intake manifold. By understanding the problem's nature, technicians can accurately diagnose whether the valve or other components require replacing to ensure the vehicle adheres to emission standards. The potential causes of DTC P0496 and P04DF largely stem from the condition of the EVAP system components. A stuck-open purge valve is one of the primary culprits, which can lead to excessive fuel vapors being purged into the engine at inappropriate times. Additionally, debris inside the valves may obstruct normal function, causing them to stick or fail. Other concerns could involve damaged or faulty vacuum hoses, which can compromise the seal and efficiency of the system. Each of these issues can independently or collectively contribute to the identification of these diagnostic trouble codes and should be thoroughly examined during the troubleshooting process. Symptoms accompanying DTC P0496 and P04DF vary, but can culminate in noticeable performance issues. The check engine light activates as the onboard diagnostics detect the fault in the EVAP system, directly alerting the driver to a problem. Increased emissions may also be evident, given that the system is designed to minimize fuel vapor release. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit poor engine performance, such as rough idling or increased fuel consumption, as the engine struggles to manage incorrect vapor levels. Recognizing and addressing these symptoms promptly is essential to maintain compliance and optimal functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0496 begins with putting the vehicle in the on mode, which activates the electrical systems without starting the engine. Next, clear the DTC using the HDS Honda Diagnostic System, which resets any stored trouble codes in the vehicle's computer. Then, navigate to the inspection menu on the HDS and select the EVAP test function. This step is crucial as it provides a basis for determining whether the current fault can be duplicated under controlled conditions. If successful, the diagnostic results will guide further steps in the troubleshooting process, ensuring an effective resolution of the issue. Following the first troubleshooting steps, if the error persists, further inspection of the EVAP canister purge valve is necessary. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum hose from the purge valve, typically located in the engine compartment. Next, connect a T-fitting along with the necessary vacuum gauge and vacuum pump to the purge line, ensuring proper setup for testing the component's response. Applying vacuum to the valve, around 2 kilopascal, 0.6 inch Hg, allows you to evaluate whether it holds that vacuum effectively. A yes results would deem the valve operational, while a no indicates a need for valve replacement, guiding you towards an accurate and efficient repair. Once repairs involving the EVAP system are completed, perform a final verification to confirm successful reparation. This entails rechecking the system using the HDS to ensure that there are no lingering fault codes present and that the previously assessed issues have been resolved. Additionally, a test drive of the vehicle is essential to expose the system to various operational conditions, ensuring the DTC does not reappear. It is necessary to validate that everything functions efficiently, confirming both the quality of the repairs and the vehicle's compliance with emission standards. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0496 or similar issues, routine maintenance of the EVAP system is advisable. Schedule regular inspections focusing on the EVAP canister purge valve, which may collect debris over time and hinder performance. Periodically cleaning these valves is beneficial to ensure unobstructed operation. Moreover, it is essential to replace any damaged or cracked vacuum hoses that could jeopardize the system's integrity. Proactive measures help maintain the overall functionality of the EVAP system and ensure compliance with emissions regulations, ultimately contributing to better vehicle performance. In summary, understanding the EVAP system's importance in emission control is vital for maintaining the vehicle's performance and compliance. The diagnostic trouble codes P0496 and P04DF indicate an ongoing issue that requires thorough troubleshooting using the outlined steps. Addressing symptoms promptly can prevent further complications while ensuring efficient system operations. Furthermore, adopting a regimen of regular preventive maintenance can diminish the risk of future issues, keeping the EVAP system functioning optimally. Together, these practices contribute significantly to both vehicle reliability and environmental responsibility. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.